How to fix WhatsApp voice play when screen is off. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix WhatsApp voice playing when your screen is turned off. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is remove your WhatsApp from the background like this. Remove it and then you can open it up again and check if the problem has been fixed. If not, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your settings, scroll down, go to general. On your general, go to your iPhone storage and then search for WhatsApp. So let's search for WhatsApp here. So it should be right here. There we go. Then offload the app. Tap on offload and offload it entirely. After you offload the app, you can then reinstall it back again, and this will basically clear out the cache from WhatsApp. After doing that, head over to App Store, go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp. And on here, what you'll need to do is simply tap on this update button. After you tap on update, after the WhatsApp updates, the bugs and technical glitches will be fixed and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.